The moment has come. The great sorcerer Jensen has arrived, and your journey is about to begin.
Fish and chips at the Golden Horseshoe. I did ask Disney, hey, where do you have fish? And they say they have a fish sandwich here, so we'll see how it is. We got the fried fish from the Hungry Bear. I asked for the sauce on the side because I wasn't sure I'd like it. It's kind of a lemon peppery.
Very lemony. Like, whoa!
I'm gonna try with the fries, see how that is.
A little goes a long way.
Definitely very lemon peppery. Not bad though. Okay. And we're hoping to see the musical chairs where I actually got a better seat. I'm gonna try to get Julie up there if there's space. Or Crystal. What is it?
Ooh, this is my pineapple skewer. So it's pineapple covered in nice milk chocolate with a little white chocolate drizzle on it.
Looks refreshing.
It is. It's very tasty. The chocolate tends to fall, so have a napkin under you and catch that chocolate.
Go for it. Maybe Julie. Watching the show.
Okay, well, how about this? How about if we call them on winners? Is that better? All right, now, if you're the unwinner, you have to come up here, tell us your name, and either tell us a joke, a riddle, or your favorite Disney character, and act like them.
Okay.
All right. This time, call everybody up. You know, you guys move inside. Keep going. Go away. Keep going. All right, let's go. That way.
Go, Jonathan. Musical chair. With the Mad Hatter.
There's a seat.
Yeah. Okay, just got done with the canoes. How did you
There's a
guys
reason
like
why I
it?
wait 15 years in between to do it.
Sure.
I'm so terribly out of shape, and I keep getting on the left side, and I'm right-handed. So.
Well, yeah, Ozzy and I were paddling on the right. I noticed when she was helping, she had to help the left side a bunch more.
Yeah, but eventually she had to help. Eventually switched to the right.
Sure, not really, not that much. She helped the left a lot. And she probably helped it too much and had to even it out. I think we did a good job in tandem, Ozzy. We got our paddles in there.
I felt bad for that.
Took us 1 or 2 strokes, but after that I felt like we were getting in at the same time.
Yeah, just a bloop.
Power.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's pretty strenuous, as you can see from their faces.
It is. It kind of wears out your arm. Remember to use your core.
Okay, well, I'm going to put in some footage right now. I think I might have overexposed it a little bit, but enjoy it. And I'll try to fix it a little bit in post. Okay, but as for now, I'm not sure what we're doing next. I'll have to look.
Toodaloo.
Ciao.
finished the Pixar Play Parade. Yay! You were mostly in the shade. I saw you dancing.
That was really warm.
And see, Julie, they have the like the boy Woody costume.
I saw. Yeah, cowboys and cowgirls.
Yeah, exactly. How many of the bouncers? They seem to have more of the bouncers today for the.
I didn't even count the bouncers today.
Yeah. I don't know. They seem to shift around people. Like, the First Order never came out through their march when they were supposed to. Oh well. Yeah, we're gonna head to DCA now, check out some stuff, and maybe Frozen. Let's see. Nice and cool in there at least. It's not that it's really hot today. It's only like 76 or 77, but it's really humid. Yeah, we're just following the parade out.
Oh, I can't wait to tell my brothers about you. They'll be so jealous.
How many brothers do you have?
12. Count them. All older. 3 of them pretended I was invisible. Literally, for 2 years. But that's what brothers do.
And sisters. Elsa and I were really close when we were little, but then one day she just shut me out. And I never knew why.
I would never shut you out.
Can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
My life has been a series of doors in my face. And then suddenly I bump into you.
Bring her close to the fire.
She's so cold.
Queen Elsa struck her with her powers.
Thank you for bringing her back.
There's soup and hot glove.
No, I don't. No, I didn't. Please just keep her safe.
You said she would never hurt you.
Oh, I was wrong. Elsa froze my heart, and only an act of true love can save me now.
True love's kiss.
Yes.
Anna. If If only there was someone out there who loved you.
What? You said that you did.
As 13th in line in my own kingdom, I didn't stand a chance. I knew I would have to marry into the throne somewhere. As heir, Elsa was preferable, but you... you were so desperate for love, you were willing to marry me just like that. Besides, she doomed herself, and you were dumb enough to run after her.
Not without you.
Oh, hands down, this is the best day of my life. And quite possibly the last.
Olaf, hang on, little guy.
Hey, it's my own personal flurry.
And that's for you.
No. I've got this.
I don't understand. She froze your heart.
The only frozen heart around here is yours.
Guards, return Prince Hans to his country. Let's see what his 12 big brothers think of his behavior.
I couldn't agree with you more, Your Majesty.
And take the Duke with you. Arundel will henceforth and forever no longer do business of any sort with Weasel Town.
It's Wesselton. Wesselton! Wesselton!
Oh, I was wondering if maybe we couldn't use a royal ice master and deliverer.
Of course.
What do you say, Kristoff?
Is that a thing?
It is now.
You mean it?
Yeah.
Oh, Anna, I could kiss you.
Oh.
Well, I could. I'd like to. May I? We, me. Me. We, me. No. Me way. Wait, what?
We may.
And one more thing. Henceforth, the gates will never be closed again.